The W, the O, the R, the K. The W, the O, the R, the K. Look yourself in the face. Look yourself in the mirror. Ask yourself, are you giving 120% every day? Every play? Give me 120 or don't give me nothing at all. The guy you competing against, you haven't outworked him. You've not outworked the person next to you. You've not out-hustled them. You've not out-grind them. You've not outdone them. You're not locked in. Bring all your passion. Bring heart. Every single game, every single play. Put forth 120% or don't ask nobody to do nothing to you. The W, the O, the R, the K. The W, the O.
What is up? What is up? What is up? What is up? Good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning. Happy Monday, happy Monday, happy Monday. It is a great Monday this morning. We're going to get after it. Going to give everybody a minute to get on in here. But it is definitely great Monday. Long weekend, much overdue. Definitely a great Monday. Man, got a short crew in here today, boy. Tell you, not a lot of people rolling through here today. That's all right. We're gonna give it like we gotta give it anyways, because it's what we do. Gonna be a short stream today though, because I had a short week last week. I have a short week this week because I gotta travel. I'm on my way out of here on Wednesday. But I will stream on Wednesday, but I'm leaving Wednesday afternoon. So short week. So definitely gonna get after it today, Wednesday and Friday. But gonna be a shorter stream today. Gonna try to keep it to an hour just because boy gotta get some work done, man. Boy gotta get to work, baby. Boy gotta get to work. What's up? Good morning, Elmo. Good morning. Good morning. Happy Monday to you, brother. Happy Monday to you, Seiko. Good morning, my brother from the West Coast. How are you, man? How are you? Let me fix that. Let me fix my chat here. Who knew? Let's see. I gotta fix my chat. There we go. What are you calling that? Who are you calling that? Laughing out loud. Just saying, man. I gotta say, it's Monday, baby. I gotta go. Gotta get moving though. Gotta definitely get some work done. Seiko, man, on the West Coast, baby. It's early for you, Doc. What's up? Good morning, my brother. Good morning. How are you? People starting to roll in a little bit. Everybody saying good morning to each other. Selmo Fudd, happy Monday, brother. It is definitely a great Monday, man. Good morning to you. Good morning, my brother. Good morning. Short stream, like I said, I'll try to keep it to an hour today because I guess we can get a little bit of work done today. But look, get over here to the pre-markets, guys. The Asian market, they closed. They look like trash. It is all red. Definitely trash. Ken, good morning, my brother. How are you? Junior, how are you? My brother? Happy Monday to all you guys. 3 a.m. with Timski, 4 a.m. with you. You up and at it, baby, man. I respect that grind, Seiko. I respect that grind, brother. But yeah, the Asian markets, man, they closed like trash yesterday. This morning, definitely closed like trash. Come over here to the European markets. They're open. Whoops. I'm over here hitting buttons. Hold on. Let's get back here. To where we need to be. European markets, they opened up. They look absolutely terrible as well. It's all red over there. So definitely not looking great. Our pre-markets here in the United States, they are completely red. They look like trash too. So basically, the whole stock market itself looks like absolute trash today. Looks like it's going to open like trash. But you got to remember, you got to expect this. The markets have been running. All the markets have been running pretty hot the whole month of November. Stock markets, crypto markets, everything's been running pretty hot. Got to expect some pullback here, guys. So we look at, go ahead and we'll look at coin. When I looked at it this morning, it looked like it was going to open around 115. Yeah, Coinbase looks like it's going to open right around 115.54. So definitely hope everybody took profits out of that. Who invested here when we were investing around 40 to 50 bucks. Hope you guys took profit on that double up. I did too. I did. Sold all my Coinbase stock. And took my double up. What's up, Timsky? Good morning, brother. Good morning, Brian. I hope your stream was well. So I didn't get a chance to jump over there. Was getting ready for this one. That Neroni though, nice. Yeah, that Neroni we're gonna talk about Neroni, man. It took a dip and then bounce back. So I'm gonna bounce back, baby. Not Luna Classics. Luna Classic. The whole Luna Classic system is running this morning, baby. It is running. Hey, congrats Neroni holders. You're looking hot. Yeah. We're running hot, baby. We're running hot. Man, it took a great dip over the weekend, man. Running hot right now, man. Crypto G, good morning, my brother. Happy Monday to you, my brother. Happy Monday. Hope you're doing well. Neroni up 10 cents from that 16 cents dip. It took a nice dip. It's up though. If you bought the dip, you're looking real nice, real nice right now. What's up, DG? What's up, Big Watch Dude? What's up, Big Watch Dude? Big Watch Dude is in the building. Timsky, yes, that Neroni dip is looking. We're gonna get into that. Like, if you bought that Neroni dip, man, you are looking love, man. Love. Everybody's saying what's up to each other. Like I said, we're gonna hold this to about an hour. I called that dip. Yeah, you called 16 cents. But boy, it didn't stay there. It did not stay there. It dipped, and if you bought the dip, man, love. If you didn't, then yeah, you just missed it. BWB. Yes, there's Big Watch Dude with us. BWB, baby. Some more fun. Catching up with you guys chatty this morning. I like it. I love it when you guys are all saying hi to each other on a Monday morning, getting everything moving this morning, saying hi to each other, getting everybody in a good mood, man, because it's going to be a big day for Neroni December 6th. Yes, it's going to be a huge day for Neroni on December 6th, man. That's what I'm saying. Y'all should have bought that dip, man. Bought that dip. Yeah. I got to go to work, man. All right, Junior, man, go get that grind on, brother. Go get that grind on. I got to get to work in about an hour or two, man. So I'm with you, man. Feel that. Luna Classic, yeah, Luna Classic's jumping, USDT's jumping. It's all jumping, man. Let me get right into the crypto market here. Now that everybody's saying hi to each other. Neroni will go up to 36 cents. What's coming out on December 6th? I don't know, man. I think that thing's gonna jump. That thing's gonna pop. If you know, you know. If you know, you know. If you know, you would have bought the dip. If you know, you would have bought the dip. soon, but not yet. If you know, you would have bought the dip. That's all I'm saying. Take that for what it's worth. December 6th, gonna be a good day. Gonna be a good day. Market cap up to $1.41 trillion, guys. We're back up into that 1.4 range, $1.41 trillion, guys. Bitcoin Fear and Greed Index sitting at 71. We are sitting at greed, baby. We are greed. Not after December, Doc. That's what I keep trying to tell them. If you know, you know. If you know what's coming on December, you would have bought the dip. Folks not holding long now. Yeah, well, folks are not holding long. They are in and out of projects like crazy. But if you know what's coming on in December, you would have bought the dip. You would have bought the dip. Bitcoin sitting at $37,097, up about 0.24% on the day, down about 1.4%. I mean, 2.4% on the hour, down about 1.46% on the day. Ethereum sitting at $2,029, up about 0.41% on the hour, down about 2.5% on the day. So BNB, I don't know. It's hanging in there. For everything that CZ's going through, BNB's kind of hanging in there. Better than what I thought. Sitting at $227 right now. Down about 0.2% on the hour. Down about 3% on the day. Hanging in there a little bit better than what I thought. I thought for sure that this thing would have took a massive dip after the whole CZ situation. Well, what happened December 6th? You got it. You'll see. The suspense. Yeah, it's gonna be something special. If you missed it, we were talking about rim jobs. Rim jobs is where, oh man, Timsky, man. What's it come to, man? I'm glad I missed it. What's it come to, man? But BNB sitting there better than what I thought. But it's still hanging in there. XRP sitting at 60 cents, guys. We are back at that 60-cent level. This is where we're going to be. We want to be right around that 63-cent level, though, but definitely back up in the 60-cent level. Getting out of that 50-cent level. Gotta stay out of that 50-cent level. Gotta hold this new support around that 63-cent level, 63 to 65. Up about 0.18% on the hour, down about 4.3% on the day. Got to get that thing back up in that 63-cent level. Might not happen today because this market is absolutely trash. Solana 55.15 right now, up about 0.9% on the hour, 4.4% down on the day. So Solana, I mean, it's hanging in there. It's hanging. Chainlink, 1431, guys, up about 0.03% on the hour, down about 5.5% on the day. Chainlink back up in that $14 range. We gotta get that thing back up closer to $15. Might not happen today though. Avalanche sitting at $20.54. Looks like it may. It's hovering right around that $20 range. Was sitting around $21. So definitely have to get that thing back up to where it was. Market's not looking too good today, though. I don't expect any of these cryptos to pop today. I expect us to trade sideways or down today. People who work at Grand Canyon. Oh boy, Timsky, what is going on? 2Bit Crypto, what is up? Told you about USDC, yes, and Luna Classic. Yes, you did. You said it. And they are popping today. Good morning, 2Bit. What is up? What is going on, my brother? If you're missing 2Bit's Friday spaces, you are missing out on a lot of information, guys. We talk about a lot of stuff over there. And a lot of educational stuff. So if you're missing Friday spaces, man, you are missing out. So make sure you get over there on Friday. Make sure you smash that reminder button. Gym time. All right, Doc, go get your workout in, brother. Go get your workout in. The junior, the legend. Yeah, the junior is a legend, man. 9 to 5, but yeah, junior is a legend, man. He's on here like crazy, man. He came in and he's on here like crazy. What is up, my man, Mr. P? How are you this morning? I hope you are doing great this Monday morning. I hope you are doing great. What? So if you guys aren't on 2Bits channel on Friday, I'm telling you guys got to get on there, man. We get a lot of educational stuff going on right there. Polygon Matic, guys, 74 cents. This thing is struggling right now, guys. It is struggle buggy right now for Polygon Matic. It cannot bust this 75-cent range. It just cannot stay here. For some reason, money is leaving Polygon, and not quite sure why, because they got a lot going on over there. But money is definitely leaving Polygon Matic. Stellar sitting at 11 cents, 11.6, guys, up about 0.22% on the hour, down about 4.9% on the day. Got to get Matic over 12 cents again. Seeing it at 11 cents is just kind of disappointing, really. Our buddy Casper, guys, you know about Casper. You know we're in Casper. You know we talk about Casper. Sitting at 12 cents right now, guys, up about 0.77%, up about 0.77% on the hour, down about 4.8% on the day. Definitely a pullback for Casper there. But if you got in when we got in, not that much of a pullback. Crow sitting at 92 cents, guys, 92 cents, down about 0.37% on the hour, down about 3.6% on the day, guys. So market is definitely pulling back. Hey Doc, you're not going to be on space tomorrow. Oh, we're gonna see. I'm not sure. I'm not even sure if it's gonna be a space, Big Watch. It might be on Discord. I'm trying to learn. I'm trying to learn as much as I can. Yeah, that's what we're all trying to do, Junior, man. We're all just trying to here trying to learn, man. We all learn something every day. I'm trying to be there. Yeah. Good morning, 2Bit. Yes, Selmo says good morning to 2Bit. Selmo says good morning to 2Bit. He's 5 hours. All right. So yeah. Let's see what we got. Let's go over to the bubbles, guys. Let's look at the bubbles. Let's get us a picture of the market. There we go. Look at Luna Classic, up 38.2% on the day, guys. USTC, guys, up 235% on the day, man. This thing is absolutely moving. So Luna Classic and USTC are absolutely moving today, guys. One of the only tokens in the whole cryptocurrency atmosphere that is moving today, guys. They are absolutely moving. And 2Bit called it. Looks like when we get down to the hourly bubbles, though, it looks like the market's starting to fill in a little bit green. Looks like we're pushing to the upside just a little bit as the United States markets wake up and start to see these bargains in the market, and they start to buy them up. So it looks like the market is waking up, man. It is waking up a little bit. So let's see what happens as the morning moves on here on the stream. Let's see if we can't get a bigger push to the upside here than we did overnight. Daniel's space. Yes, we'll be on there Tuesday. We'll be on my space Tuesday at 6. So what does Twiz and Fan have to do with DG space? Nothing. We'll be on my space. Big Watch. We'll be on my space at Tuesday at 6. I wish Crow would was 92.92. Why? I wish it was 0.92 as well. Seiko, did I say 0.92? I meant 0.092. you know, I sometimes it happens, man. Sometimes it happens, man. We're all human, Seiko. We're all human, brother. Uh thought you were talking about MMA. No, my space on Tuesday. My space on Tuesday. Uh I really don't I really don't care what AI does anymore. Hey, let them do their thing, man. They're gonna do their thing, man. Let them do their thing, man. We on to making money when we're making money. Uh Everyone's starting to feel that way. Yeah. Like button, guys. Yeah, smash that like button. So guys, smash that like button, guys. But yeah, it looks like over the hour, guys, it looks like the market is starting to try to make a recovery here. It is definitely trying to make a recovery. And look at EHEX up 1.8% as well. You know, that Hex ecosystem, you know, we're on here talking and it was down 98% from its all-time high. I say, you know, whether you believe in the system or whether you don't believe in the system, you know, if you invested, then you can make some money. And at the end of the day, if we can just make a little bit of money, then that's what we're trying to do. So you guys know I invested in Hex. I invested in Pulse Chain, and definitely paying off now when we invested at the all-time low there. Not that I use Hex at all or Pulse Chain, but definitely was a good investment, and I'm probably going to be cashing out all of it here pretty soon. My mama told me to to greet people even if they even if they don't speak back. Who didn't say anything, Selma? Who didn't say anything, brother? Who didn't say anything? Everyone have a great day. You too, Junior. Go ahead and go to work. Make that money, man. We all on that 9 to 5, baby. That's why I said we'd be on here for about an hour, and then I have to go bust some work out, guys. I gotta go bust some work out, man. Like I said, it was a short week for me last week, so definitely. When you have a job where nobody's around to do your job, and when you take time off, then you come back to a whole bunch of work. And I'm traveling on Wednesday, so definitely gonna have to try to bust some stuff out today. So, but yeah, definitely the market looks like it's starting to recover just a little bit going here. Let's get into a little bit of this news. What do we have going on today? Actually, the news is kind of bland for a weekend, but we'll see what we got. Ripple, guys. Ripple excites the XRP army with Medico acquisition. Brings banking closer. Obviously, this Medico acquisition, Medico is, I hope I'm saying that right, Medico is actually working with HSBC Bank, and Ripple has acquired them. So that means that Ripple is actually working with HSBC Bank as well now. And this is big deal for XRP and the XRP army. We have to find out before we get too happy about this. You have to find out how the XRP token is going to be integrated into this merger, right? Because it's one thing to use and it's one thing to merge and buy companies and work with banks, but how does the token fit into the acquisition? That is the question. So as happy as I am for this news, I think it's great news for Ripple XRP. Got to figure out how HSBC will be using the XRP token within their ecosystem. That's important. It's no different than we talk about a lot of the Kraken things and how they want to build a layer 2, and you have Cardano and Matic that are in the running to do that. But we have to find out how ADA token and the Matic token will be utilized in that system. Whoever wins the bid there, before you get too happy about what's going on. So let's find out how the XRP token will be utilized in this ecosystem before we start to go jump off the ledge. So let's make sure. But this is definitely great news for the XRP Army and Ripple, especially the fact if XRP can be used in the HSBC banking system and their transactions. If that is the plan, that is absolutely huge because HSBC is a absolute monster of a bank, and they have taken on a lot of cryptocurrency and tokenization of assets. I want to review that one. I want to go here. Stories, right? Stories aren't in line. So the DOJ guys, the DOJ and Mr. CZ, you know, we got to cover this, man, as much as you guys are probably on CZ overload and don't really care about it anymore because the man took a plea. Binance Binance CEO CZ, he wants to leave and come back when it's time for sentencing. And the DOJ, Department of Justice, is basically saying, you know what, he may be a little bit of a flight risk, so we want him to stay right here in the United States until sentencing. We don't care if he's out, we don't care that he bonded out, but we definitely don't want him leaving the country. CZ wants to go back to the United Emirates, and the DOJ is obviously trying to fight this because, you know what, the man just might not come back, right? So, you know, this is going to get interesting to see if CZ can actually leave the country or if he needs to stay here and until sentencing. Going to get interesting to see these lawyers fight this out as to whether or not CZ's a flight risk or he's not a flight risk, and whether or not he can leave or has to stay, right? So this one's going to get interesting as these lawyers go back and forth about this. But definitely CZ's lawyers are saying that he's not a flight risk. DOJ saying maybe he is. So let's go ahead and keep him here and see what happens and make sure that he's not a flight risk. Make sure that he does not leave the country. So going to get interesting. Going to get real interesting here. Lionel Rodney. What's up, Bernie? How are you? Still never seen. What's up, Bernie? How are you, brother? How are you? So we'll see what happens with CZ. This one can get interesting here, guys. So just hold on to your seats. So one of the SEC commissioners comes out and says that there is no reason to stop a spot Bitcoin ETF. The SEC commissioner says. So we've been through this before a couple times, and I keep saying this. These commissioners keep coming out saying that there's no reason why spot Bitcoin ETF is not approved yet. There's no reason why they shouldn't be approved. So I don't understand what the holdup is. There's only one reason for the holdup, and that is your boy Dirty Gary himself holding this process up. And there's just no reason for it to be taking this long to get these things done. I still think that Grayscale has the upper hand here because they won their court case, and at some point Grayscale can come out and say, you know what, they're holding up the approval of the spot, the transition from our Bitcoin trust to the spot Bitcoin ETF, and they won in court. And you know, at some point they can go back to court and say, you know, these guys are holding it up, so they're not upholding the court's ruling. It's taking too long. I think Grayscale holds the upper hand here in this situation. We'll see. We'll see what happens. We'll see how far Grayscale pushes that. But definitely, if there's any company right now that has applied for a spot Bitcoin ETF that holds the upper hand against the SEC, it is definitely Grayscale, because they have a court case saying that there's no reason why they can't transition, and they can just take the SEC back to court and just say, you know, and they can fight it out. They can definitely fight it out. So, and I think Grayscale will win that, because I mean, you just keep pulling up these articles and you keep pulling up these interviews from these SEC commissioners saying that there's no reason for this to be held up any longer. and Grayscale can use all of this in court. So I think Grayscale can push this if they want to, and there's probably a reason why they're not pushing it a little bit further than what they are. And obviously, we don't know what happens behind the scenes. We don't know the conversations that's happened behind the scenes or the talks. So Grayscale, but maybe there's a reason why they're not pushing it, right? Maybe there's a reason, but they definitely. It's kind of like XRP being the only cryptocurrency out there with clarity, that they're not a security. Grayscale is really the only spot Bitcoin ETF application out there who actually has a court case that says that the SEC has to approve their spot Bitcoin ETF. So, that's why they hold the upper hand here in this situation. So definitely don't understand the situation going on over there other than a stall tactic. I do believe, though, that it'll be next year that we get the first spot Bitcoin ETF. And I think that we're going to get a group of them approved at the same time. I think you'll see Grayscale, Fidelity, probably BlackRock, and probably one or two other ones all approved at the same time as a lump approval and rolled out into the market. And when that happens, oh boy, hold on to your seat. Hold on to your seat because Bitcoin is about to pop. So definitely look out for that news right there when that happens. And it will happen. Moving on over here to some of these altcoins that we look at and that we love so much. I mean, some of these lower market cap tokens that we love so much. Alliance Block continues to stay at 12 cents. Guys, continues to stay right around that 12 to 13 cent range. Nice pop from where it was sitting in that 9 cent range. Definitely a nice pop up. Neroni, guys, if you bought the Neroni dip over the weekend, you are looking really nice right now. Neroni dipped all the way down to around 16, 17 cents, popped right back up to 26 cents, 26.31. Definitely look at that pop right there. Look at that buy. Look at that pop. And they've got some stuff that they're rolling out here in December. Definitely is looking good for Neroni. I mean, that dip was bought up with no issue. But come December, you guys will be surprised. There is a ton going on in Neroni. This thing was sitting up around 30-something cents when they were buying the dip over here. This is the day chart. So if you look at the day candle, got up to around 33 cents. But if you bought this dip at 16 cents, you are looking lovely right now. But definitely wait until December, man. Wait until December. Big A. Big A. Let's see here. Bitcoin's going down. Yeah, Bitcoin. I think we're going to be, I think you guys got to remember it's tax season, right? So with this market right now, it's tax season, it's holiday season, right? And every December, you got I keep trying to tell everybody, the market's going to dip because people are mitigating their tax losses, right? They're also getting ready for holiday shopping, right? So I had to do this last year, right? I had to literally cash out a bunch of crypto at a loss to claim all my taxes, only to go back in and rebuy it. And that's the game people play with their tax return. JP Morgan says ETF causes a BTC Bloomberg calls for a pump. Who's right? Yeah, JP Morgan said that Grayscale would lose a bunch of value on a ETF approval. And Bloomberg says it's going to pump. It's going to pump. I think it's going to pump. I think JP Morgan's trying to downplay this right now because they're trying to gain more Bitcoin. They want to gain more Bitcoin. I think they're trying to downplay this right now. JP Morgan has a history of doing that. they have a history of downplaying certain situations so that they can buy in lower and then go ahead and then go ahead and tell you how great it is. You got to remember they did that with the whole cryptocurrency market. They were telling people crypto was a sham. They were telling people not to buy crypto. They were telling people that crypto was dead. It didn't mean anything. And then all of a sudden they released their own token and their blockchain, and then crypto was the best thing, right? So JP Morgan has a history of doing this. But there's no way that by the release of the ETFs that Bitcoin won't pop. I mean, the numbers just don't support that, right? Unless I'm absolutely missing something, the numbers just don't support that. So, it just doesn't make any sense to me. So I'm going with Bloomberg. But Bone, guys, continues to struggle down here at 60 cents. Definitely struggling pretty hard. I still think that Bone's coming down to 30 cents. I think it's going back down to 50 cents. Keltra, good morning, Keltra. I still think that Bone's coming back down to 30 cents. I think, with the Shibarium launch, it was an absolute disaster. It continues to be an absolute disaster. There is zero volume over there from where they wanted it to be. And they just have not launched that thing the way that it should have been launched. And obviously it's showing in the charts on both SHIB and Bone. I mean, people can say whatever they want. They can feel however they want, but the price is the price. And if Shibarium was absolutely where they wanted it to be, you got to remember that the big drop here was because they had to mint out all the Bone in order to renounce the contract. Well, that's already been done. So now if Shibarium was where it needed to be, then this thing would have popped once that was done. Not done yet, and hasn't popped yet. And the volume it's just not what they expected it to be, Shibarium. And I don't know if it ever will be. I think that there will be a place for Shibarium in this ecosystem. I think that there will be a place for Shibarium in the cryptocurrency atmosphere. You see Manny Pacquiao hooked up with them for his charity, things like that. I think there will be a place, but I just don't, until they get it right, Bone's going to sit here and struggle. It's just going to struggle. It's going to go down to 30 cents. When the market goes down in December here, Bone will take a big hit. It's just kind of is what it is. They botched that launch and they botched it pretty bad. And they haven't been able to recover yet. Pepe sitting at 501074. Losing a little bit of steam with the rest of the market today, but hey, Pepe is actually hanging in there pretty strong compared to the market, guys. Definitely hanging in there pretty good. Pepe, I'm telling you, this is that token in the bull run that I think is going to run, and it's going to run pretty hard during that bull run, just because of how they set themselves up. I mean, we talk about it here all the time. They're on all the tier 1 exchanges with ease of access, baby. You got to remember, not everybody's like us. They're not on DeFi wallets. They don't like to use DeFi wallets. They don't like to do all that stuff. So ease of access, Pepe has set themselves up for the bull run. I think they are going to be a monster in the next bull run. Bone may not matter to anyone until new investors come into the market. Yeah, that's why I see it dipping. Shibarium's got to work. Big watch. Shibarium's got to work in order for Bone to be everything that we thought it was going to be. Shibarium's got to have volume. Shibarium's got to work. And more importantly, the most important thing for Bone is the amount of volume that's on Shibarium, right? And as long as Shibarium struggles with volume, Bone will struggle as well. It's no different than any other blockchain token. Without volume, the token is absolutely worthless. Shibarium, I mean, it does have volume. It it's trying. They're trying, but it's nowhere near where it needs to be. And until Shibarium gets volume, Bone will continue to struggle, and that's why I have it going down to 30 cents. I think 30 cents probably, that 35-cent range is probably where it's headed back to, where we were buying it up before it went up to $1. I think it's headed back down there. And that's why I am completely out of Bone until it takes that big hard dip back down to them levels, and then maybe I'll jump in at that point. But Shibarium's got to pick up. It's got to have volume, or your Bone token is just going to continue to go down. It's just going to continue to go down in price. It's that simple. The amount of volume will dictate. The amount of volume on Shibarium will dictate where Bone goes. So Pepe though, guys. Again, I'm looking for that hard dip, and I'm jumping back in. I think Pepe is absolutely going to be a monster in the bull. Oh, absolute monster. Jasmine, you guys know we love Jasmine here. Sitting at 005075, actually doing very, very, very well in this market. You see it ran a couple days ago up into that 5-6 level, but definitely has pulled back a little bit. But really above that 4-7 level where everybody was jumping back into it. When it dipped hard down to that 4-7, everybody bought that up to that 5-5-3 level. Now it's starting to come back just a little bit to that 5-0-7-7-5 levels. But Jasmine is definitely holding strong. Definitely above the trend lines. So it is absolutely trading strong right now. So we love to see that. The main token hanging in there. Gave back the 0. It's sitting at 209949. Gave back that 0. But definitely looking strong. Definitely looking like it's going to be around for a little bit. Between full moon today, and clean beaver and clean beaver get more wood. Between a full moon today and clean beaver get more wood. Go ahead, Selmo. Go ahead, man. We love it, man. We love it. But yeah, Maine is one of these tokens, man. The longer and longer it stays around, the better chance it has in the bull run, man. A lot of these tokens, they just need to hang on, man. They just need to hang on to the bull run. That's it. They just need to survive. And Maine is one of them tokens. It just needs to survive, and that's it. Pause swap, guys. You guys know I like this project. Doing a lot of building over there with their layer 2s. Getting ready to roll out a lot of them interoperability blockchains. They're ready to go. Layer 2's coming out. Wallet be out. A lot of couple offline transactions things. Marketplace. They got a lot going on over there, man. Sitting at 809,371. Definitely gave back a 0 here in this downturn. But still believe in Paul Swap. I think that they're building something different over there. So definitely believe. Stewie, guys, had a sale this Black Friday. And you see on the day chart right here on this Black Friday, it started to come up a little bit. This is what marketing will get you guys. This is why you have to keep your name out there. This is why you have to market. Yes, it's down, right? It's only down if you bought at the all-time high, but they had a buy one, get 50% more, right? So when you look at this right here, this pump right here is all from that marketing campaign that they put on, where if you bought whatever you bought, they airdropped you 50% of that buy in your wallet. So basically it was a 50% off sale when you look at it. So definitely went over well in the community. They bought the chart up and definitely looked better. So yes, marketing will get you back on the charts. It'll get you out in front of everybody. And if people don't know what you're doing as far as incentives and things like that, they are not going to buy into your token. So Marketing means something. Marketing means something, especially with these meme coins and these lower market cap tokens. But I'm very, very, very happy with where Neroni is right now, sitting at 26 cents, 26.31. Because it took this major dip, man. It took a pop, man, all the way down here to 16. And the only thing I could do at that point was buy more, because I know there's a lot coming in December. So the only thing I could do was buy more at that point. It took a pop, came back up though, and definitely bought that. The community definitely bought that back up. So, happy with that community over there, happy with what they're doing, happy with the devs over there. Really like where they're going. You start to see the pullback now on Luna Classic in the hour, down 4.4%, and USTC down 4.5%. People are taking profits, right, guys? People put money in their pocket. That's what they should be doing. When USTC is up over 200%, you take your profits. Take your profits at 200. That right there, take it. Luna Classic up 38.4%. Take your profits, guys. Take them. If you're invested in this token and you're in profits, make sure you are cashing out, guys. Make sure you're cashing your profits out. Do not leave that money sitting on the table. Somebody else will cash out on top of you. Do not. You see it happening right now. You see it happening within an hour. People are cashing out on top of you. Do not leave your profits on the table in any project. When you are up to your profit level, you take it. You take your profit, period. EHAX back up to 3.2% gain on the day. Gain on the hour, I mean. So definitely moving up. But definitely take your profits out of these two tokens. You can see them start to dip already in the hour. People are coming in here and they are absolutely cashing out after that massive run. That is what should happen. That is what will happen all day long. So make sure if you are in it, you are taking your money. And that goes for any project. I don't care what project it is. Make sure you're taking your money. It's your money, and damn it, I want it now. So take your money. Bitcoin continues to trade sideways in this hour, right around 37,024. It just continues to just kind of hang around that low 37,000 mark. Ethereum continues to hang around this $25,000 mark. Just kind of continues to just trade inside of that tunnel. But you see the red market filling in, on the hour. There's only a couple tokens that are up within this hour, but definitely make sure that you're careful in this market today, guys. This market may not go green all day long. So be careful in this market. Chrono's still just losing steam, sitting at 9 cents, 918 now. So continues to pull down, continues to pull back. Again, guys, these people taking profits, man. It's holiday time, and people are taking profits. They are getting out. And people do not stay. And when we come back, you come back over here in some of these low market caps. People aren't staying. They're just not staying long term. So, you have to be. I don't care what token it is. Once you go silent, people are out. People are out. And just it's just how it is, man. I want to let's check out. Let's see. I believe this. Let's call this one. Yeah. Yo, Gronk is doing really Well too. You look at this, man. Gronk is doing well on a day chart. When you look at this, man, Gronk is absolutely doing tremendous in this market, man. Look at this run that Gronk went on. Look at this run right here. Yes, there's some pullback coming in today, but look at that run. If you were invested in this early, if you were one of the ones who got in early, you're looking good. I mean, even if you got in at the start of this run, right, you were looking good. Like right about here was some of that negative press that got out, right? And man, after that, that thing shot to the moon. Look at where Gronk is, man. That thing shot. It's sitting at 2 cents right now. 2.4. Sitting at 2.4 right now. Absolutely mass. People are sitting on massive gains in this. Something too much noise, and indeed to turn out. Yeah, sometimes some things too much noise. Yes, like I'm telling you, marketing is a thing, guys. Marketing is a thing, man. And you look at this, man. Like Gronk is a prime example, right? Like that, all that stuff came out negatively about them, and they shot up. So not you know. You can have bad news, and it's news is news, right? News is news, guys. But man, massive gains here in Gronk to be had. I was watching this thing all weekend, and I was just watching this thing run, and it never stopped running all weekend long. It just kept moving. So if you were in early on this thing, man, make sure you're taking your profits. I mean, this liquidity ratio, this market cap to liquidity ratio is not good. It's not good. So do not get caught holding a bag here, guys. Do not get caught holding a bag. If you're up, if you're invested in Gronk, I know we got some DJs in here who love to play around. If you're invested in Gronk, make sure you're cashing out, because this liquidity to market cap ratio is terrible. So make sure you can get your money out. So cash out, guys. Cash out. There's nothing wrong with cashing out. Make sure you do, because that liquidity ratio, that market cap to liquidity, you look at it, it's sitting at $159 million, and there's only $2.9 million in liquidity in there. That's absolutely terrible market cap to liquidity ratio. So, if you're keeping your money in here, you're playing with fire. I'm telling you right now, if you're up, you're up. Get in and get out. When you see a liquidity ratio like that, make sure you're cashing out, baby. Make sure you're cashing out. So with that, guys, I'm gonna get out of here. Sorry it was a short stream today, but I definitely have to get some work done because of the short week. But I definitely wanted to get on here with you guys and make sure we talked about everything that's going on in the market. We definitely will have a space on Tuesday night. We'll go into a lot more of the news, a lot more detailed stuff. I'll be on here Wednesday as well before I start to travel. So definitely a good time. The stock market continues to fall, guys. The European stock market continues to look terrible. The United States pre-markets continue to look terrible, guys. The cryptocurrency market is down right now. It looks like it's fallen a little bit today. So all the markets in general look like they're pulling back, right? So, when you look at the hourly gains, they're modest gains, right? There's nothing that's up tremendously, right? And what was up this morning, Luna Classic and USTC are starting to fall back within the hour, right? So yes, they're not falling back as hard as they ran, but they're starting to pull back a little bit. So be careful, protect your money, protect your investment, protect your profits, guys. Protect your profits. So don't be scared to pull money out and stabilize it up in stable coins. There's nothing wrong with stable coins. We talk about it all the time, guys. Cash is a position, right? Cash is a position. Make sure you have a cash position to buy these dips and buy these down markets. If you're fully invested in the market, you can't take advantage of these downturns that are getting ready to happen. So make sure you have cash in your portfolio. Make sure you have cash as a position. And sometimes when you get lucky and you strike Luna Classic and USDT up 200 something percent, and you cash out, use that cash as your position, guys. Use it as your position. On the hour, I mean, you guys should be cashing out. Don't wait for the next leg up, because as you guys can see from the hour, it's not coming. It's over. It's not coming. The pump is done. So make sure you're cashing out. Make sure you have cash as your position. A down market today can breeds opportunity to come in and grab some of this stuff at clearance prices, guys, at clearance prices. So this is where you're going to make your money in markets like this. You got to buy in markets like this. You have to buy. Don't buy on green candles all the time. You get wrecked. Got to buy on some of these down markets, guys. You have to. You have to in order to make some real money. So let's pick some gems out here. Pick your gems out. Buy them in times like this. And hold on, baby. Hold on tight. Strap in and hold on. But with that, guys, I'll see you guys Tuesday night on Space. See you guys Wednesday morning back on here. Hopefully, we'll get some more news that's popping between now and then. We'll be able to either come on here with some great news or come on here with somebody who messed up again. But either way, news is news, and we're going to talk about it. So pay attention to that Kraken news, guys. That Kraken news, that Kraken in the SEC news is could end up being some big news, depending on how that thing plays out. Don't think it's going to play out like Binance. Kraken does not have the funds that Binance has. Kraken does not have the funds that XRP has. So that will be a case that gets probably settled with a plea bargain. You too, Elmo. Have a great day, brother. Appreciate you all the time. So, but pay attention to that. Pay attention to how that case gets settled. But Kraken, they don't have the money to stay in the fight as long as XRP or Binance. So, plea bargain is coming probably for them. So, let's stay on top of that, because that could have some implications depending on how that thing plays out. So, all right, guys. You guys have a good one, and I'll catch you guys on the rebound Tuesday and Wednesday. All right, so have a good one, and have a great day. Be safe, be smart, take your profits, invest in some of these tokens you believe in at these clearance prices, and more importantly, guys, don't get rugged. You can always come back from a bad investment. You can always come back from a loss, but one thing if you get rugged, you just lose your money, and there's no coming back from that. So just don't get rugged, guys. Pay attention to what's going on around you. Pay attention to what you're buying. And don't degen into anything that you don't know about or haven't done research on about. So with that, guys, I am out of here. You guys have a phenomenal Monday morning, and let's make the best of the day. Big Watch, you got to get a hold of me. I've been waiting to hear from you, me and Doc. So get a hold of me. Reach out to Doc. Let's set something up. All right. I'm out, guys. Bye.